Hello there, it's Madam of the Kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to use these coriander seeds to make some tea for my family. Sri Lankans use these Kothamali seeds or coriander seeds to make some tea for their families to boost their immune system and hopefully lessen the symptoms of COVID. But hey, this is not a medicine, okay? Let's get started.
Madam will be using 2 thumbs of ginger, slightly pounded, 1.5 liters of water, and half a cup of coriander seeds.
On medium-high heat, we will roast the coriander seeds until the color turns dark brown. I have someone here, Mahal, who is teaching me how to make this tea for my family. Of course, we are hoping that this could help us against COVID. She told me that we have to roast the coriander seeds to bring out its full flavor.
We are dedicating this video to my Uncle Anslem in Washington, D.C., who is in battle with COVID right now. Our heart is with you and we are hoping that you get well soon.
Now it's looking good, and in just a few more minutes, it will turn darker.
Now that it's roasted, as you can see, since it's darker, we're gonna add the ginger and we're gonna add the water. Now we're gonna let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. See you later!
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and click on the bell button below to get notified when I upload some new videos. It's Madam of the Kitchen. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I'm just going to get a cup of tea for myself. And I wish you a very nice day. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye!